Good afternoon, everyone. This is our project Char Chinar near Chinar Park Crossing, near city center New Town, Chinar Park Crossing, just 110 meters from Chinar Park Crossing. And you can see this is a 3 BHK, 1470 square feet sellable area. On entry, you can see the excellent living cum dining area, beautiful L pattern living cum dining area. So along with this, you can have your attached balcony. Here you can have your outlet and inlet point for washing machine. So it's a very big size balcony space with the front gate view. You can see the entry road. So excellently located and totally residential area. And now come again. This is the beautiful living cum dining area. You can see the space of living cum dining. Now we are entering into the first bedroom. So come this side. This is the first bedroom. Beautiful first bedroom with having a size of approximately 11.5 into 11 feet with a big size French window. And from this window also you can have the view of the entry gate. Now on my right side you can see this is the kitchen, beautiful kitchen with black granite countertop. And you can see the beautiful selection of the tiles. And from this kitchen also you can have the look of the main entry point. So beautiful kitchen with L pattern countertop with separate space for refrigerator. And just opposite to the kitchen you can see this is the common toilet area, beautiful square type common toilet along with beautiful selection of tiles. And now we are entering into the lobby space. Just on the left side you can see the beautiful bedroom with having a size of approximately 13.5 into 12 feet, almost square size, with a beautiful window on the road side. You can see this roadside window, and with this also you can have your attached balcony space. This is the attached balcony area, and you can see the view of the complex. So this is the boundary wall of this complex, and along with this you can have the view of the gate, entry gate. So overall beautiful bedroom with having attached toilet and balcony. Now come again, we are entering into the third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom, this is the entry lobby, and just on my right you can see this is the beautiful attached toilet along with beautiful tile selection. Beautiful size toilet. This is the master bedroom with having this cupboard space and with having both the side windows, beautiful space. The size of this bedroom is approximately 15 into 12.5, and from this window you can see the outside. This is the complex boundary, and this side you can see also the complex boundary. Great utilization of space and beautiful tile selection, excellent finishing. So this is a luxurious 3 BHK of 1470 square feet. Just see the beautiful living cum dining area. So if you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are having some excellent offers for now. So thank you everyone, thanks for watching, have a great day.